What should I do with this?
I might do something.
Well, she's already been dropped on our head before. Wesley.
Really soon.
Come on, Wesley.
It's an hour before bedtime.
I know it is.
Well, you really need to stop.
I will.
You guys really need to stop.
And we will, Wesley.
He's like,
I don't know when, but you
get him, Daddy.
stop. I don't know what's